Rock tumbling is one of those hobbies that looks simple at first, then quickly pulls you in. A small machine, a handful of rough rocks, and a lot of patience can turn ordinary stones into something really cool. So in this video, I'm breaking down the best rock tumblers and what makes each one stand out. I'll walk through options across different price ranges, and each pick makes sense for different kinds of needs. So watching all the way through helps you spot the one that fits you best. You'll find links to all the products down in the description. If this video helps, hit like, subscribe to the channel, tap the notification bell, and drop any questions down below. Now let's get right into the reviews and see what these rock tumblers are all about. Number 6. Legal Electric Rock Tumbler. Number 6 is an interesting pick for anyone curious about rock tumbling without spending much. This one keeps things pretty simple and focuses on the basics. I like that it runs from a standard wall outlet and skips batteries completely. It comes ready to go with no setup steps, plus extra belts and some walnut shell media right in the box. The dual barrel setup stands out here, letting 2 batches run at the same time with a combined 6-pound capacity. Rubber barrels help keep noise lower than hard plastic, which matters if this is running indoors for weeks. The process follows the usual multi-week cycle, swapping grit stages over time until stones start to shine. Operation stays automatic, so once it is running, there is not much to think about day to day. It is clearly aimed at beginners and learning, with a focus on basic geology ideas. There are a few trade-offs to keep in mind. Some people mention belt wear and motor trouble after short periods, so long-term reliability can vary. Noise opinions are mixed, and leaks show up in some reports. As a budget choice, this makes sense for projects or first-timers. Number 5. Dan & Darcy Advanced Rock Tumbler Kit. Number 5 feels like it was put together for people who want a clear path from rough stones to polished gems. It starts off friendly and easy to follow, which makes a big difference for beginners. I like how this kit leans into guidance and structure. There are 3 speed settings, so the process can slow down or speed up at different stages. And the digital timer lays out the full cycle across several weeks. The barrel holds about 1 pound, keeps leaks in check, and stays fairly quiet for something meant to run for days at a time. Everything needed for a first batch comes in the box, including grit, rough rocks, and even small extras like jewelry fasteners and a storage bag. The 4-stage process is clearly explained in the guide, and that helps take the guesswork out of timing and grit changes. It works well for mixed rock sizes, though smaller pieces may need more time to shine. This kit is aimed at kids and adults, with a strong learning angle tied to science and geology. There are a few downsides worth knowing. Extra grit is needed after the first run, and some people report durability issues after 1 full cycle. As a budget pick, it focuses more on learning and ease than long-term use. Number 4. Comestone K1 Pro Rock Tumbler Kit. Number 4 moves things a bit more into the serious hobby space without getting overwhelming. It feels like a step up for people who want more control and a quieter setup at home. What stands out right away is the brushless motor setup paired with 3 speed options and a clear digital timer. The larger rubber barrel holds about 2.5 pounds, which gives more room than smaller starter kits, but still stays manageable. The rubber build helps soften impact and keeps sound closer to a dishwasher hum, which is easier to live with during long runs. Everything needed for a first batch is included, from rocks and grit to ceramic media and small tools, so it feels well thought out for getting started. I like how the controls stay simple, with a 9-day timer and pause option that makes it easier to follow each stage. The safety features and certifications add peace of mind, especially for family use, and customer support gets a lot of praise. There are a few trade-offs. Some reports mention belts wearing out and motors failing earlier than expected, even with replacements available. The barrel size may feel limiting for advanced users. For a lower mid-range option, this one balances features, noise control, and guidance pretty well. Number 3. National Geographic Ultra Quiet Rock Tumbler Kit. Number 3 is all about keeping things calm and easy in the background. This one really leans into quiet operation and a smooth learning curve, which makes a big difference for home use. Right away, it's clear there was a lot of focus on noise control. There's a sound dampening cover and a soft barrel that help keep things closer to a low hum than a rattling machine. The 2-pound barrel size feels like a nice middle ground, giving enough room for a good batch without feeling oversized. Controls stay simple with 3 speed options and a timer that works in hours or days, so longer cycles do not feel confusing. The agitate setting is a nice touch for softer stones that need a gentler motion. Everything needed for the first run comes in the kit, including mixed gemstones, grit, polishing foam, and even small jewelry parts. The foam step at the end gets a lot of praise for bringing out shine without extra steps. It is clearly aimed at beginners, families, and learning-focused projects. There are a few things to watch for. Some people mention the unit stopping on its own and needing restarts. Long-term reliability seems mixed. For a lower mid-range pick, the quiet operation and ease of use stand out the most. Number 2. Comestone K2 Elite Rock Tumbler Kit. Number 2 feels like a big step forward for people who want quieter runs and more room per batch. This one clearly aims at indoor use without turning the space into a constant rattle. What stands out to me is the larger 3-pound rubber barrel paired with a brushless motor setup. That combo helps keep sound closer to a steady household hum, which works well in shared spaces. The barrel uses soft rubber and a stainless steel lid, helping with impact and leaks during long cycles. Everything for the first round is included, from rough rocks and grit to ceramic media, and a clear, full-color guide that walks through each stage without guesswork. Controls stay friendly, and the multi-stage polishing system is laid out in a way that makes progress easy to follow over time. It fits kids and adults, and the instructions are simple enough that younger users can follow along with confidence. Support is another strong point here, with long coverage and easy access to help if something goes wrong. There are a few things to keep in mind. Some people report the barrel breaking early, even though many others have no trouble at all. For a mid-range option, this one focuses on quiet operation, capacity, and clear guidance more than anything else. Number 1. Tumblers Tumbler Model B, THU140. Number 1 sits in a completely different category than the rest of the list. This one is built for people who want large batches and long run times without babying the machine. What jumps out to me is the sheer capacity. The steel barrel can handle up to 15 pounds, which is a huge jump from smaller kits meant for casual projects. The hex shape helps keep material moving, and the rubber liner cuts down on noise more than bare metal would. This runs off a standard wall outlet and is meant to stay on for long stretches, making it common in garages, workshops, and workspaces. Replacement parts are available, and the motor includes service points for upkeep, which fits the long-term mindset here. This setup works best with multiple rocks or mixed material, rather than a single large piece. It is used for polishing stones, cleaning brass, and even light industrial tasks, so it feels far more utilitarian than educational kits. Noise stays lower than older machines, though it still belongs outside living areas. There are trade-offs. It takes space, requires ventilation, and needs grit purchased separately. Some users mention maintenance after heavy use. As a premium option, this one is aimed squarely at serious hobbyists who want capacity and endurance above convenience. That wraps things up for this list of the best rock tumblers. If you want more guides like this, check out the other videos on the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.